structure for this website layout. Now in this video we will simply add the menu bar and some links, create the menu, this layout. So we'll go simply to the index.php and I will show you. Basically this is the menu bar section, the div takes. I can insert some comments for you to understand the layout basically. So in HTML you can insert the comments very simply, like by adding less than sign and then exclamation sign, and after that 2 dashes, and then write a comment. So I will say main wrapper, main container or main wrapper starts from here, and then we'll say start from here, main container. Just will copy this comment and put it just below here. We'll say that main container ends here, and similarly like that I can add this to here as well, and to say header starts here and basically header ends here. There are some comments for making you understand. Header ends here. This is your menu bar, or you can say navigation bar. Navigation bar starts, and we'll copy it, put it below that. We'll say navigation bar ends. There's some HTML comments to make you understand about the section that we are working, so it will be easier for you to understand further the things in the project. Content wrapper starts and content wrapper basically ends here before the footer. Content wrapper ends. So that's it. Inside the content wrapper we have a sidebar and a content area, and below we have a footer, which is very simple. We don't need to add anything to this because we can simply understand what is it. Now in this video we have to work on this menu bar. So I have removed the text, and we will go to this style.css file, and in here .menu bar class, after this we will create another class or ID. Basically we'll create an ID menu, and inside 2 curly brackets we will write something to it. For example, we say padding 0, margin 0, and line height, basically we will say line height will be 35 pixels. That's it, very simple. This is the main class, the main ID for here. But first of all we have to actually insert the links. So for inserting the links for inside this menu, we will use UL tag, which is basically called unordered list. So inside the UL tag we will insert some links. For example, inside the UL we have to add li tag, list item. So then we can create a menu. These are these are HTML simple tags. And inside the li tag we need to add anchor tag, the link tag itself. This time we will just add some dummy links with hash sign, and we'll add some text like home, and close it. We can simply copy this whole line, the li tag and the anchor tag itself, and paste it many times as we want, 5 or 6 times. We'll say all products, we'll say my account, we'll say for example sign up, shopping cart, and contact us. These are the links we have added into the UL tag, and inside the UL tag we will add that ID called menu. So now simply save all, come to the browser, refresh it, and you see these are the links basically coming, but not in a good order. So we can style up them very simply by going to style.css file, and very simply we need to add the menu. Inside the menu there, if there is li tag, so what should be the style for that? We can write that over here inside the 2 curly brackets. I will just zoom this page so you can easily see what I am going to do. The first thing is to list style should be none. List style is basically these bullets, so we don't need them, we just have removed them. And display property will be something like inline, because they are coming now in block style one after another. We want them to inline, I mean in one line. That's what we need to do. Is there's two, after using these two properties, Ctrl S to save, come back and refresh your page, and you see the bullets are gone, and also now this menu is in inline style. After this we can simply do some more things for the links themselves, because this is just for li tag. This property, this CSS properties we have used for li tag. Now we can simply say inside the menu, because we are using sub IDs or pseudo IDs basically. This is the main ID with the hash sign we have created already, and now we are saying that inside the hash, inside the menu ID, if there is li tag, so this style should be applied on that. And we are now saying if inside the menu there is anchor tag, I mean a tag, basically a tag is the anchor tag, so we say text decoration will be none, colon none. Basically we are talking about this, the underline inside each text, each link. You see we said remove that. This is the property we can use. And then we say color should be absolutely white, and we then said padding would be 8 pixel and margin would be 5 pixel, and we also said we will also write some property like font size. Font size will be 18 pixel, and we can also use font family basically. That's also very nice. Comic Sans MS, this is a font name basically. Now Ctrl S to save, or save all from here, but I have already saved it. Go and refresh your page, you will see so nice, very nice links you have styled up. You can simply say the line height inside the main menu, which we have added to UL tag, I have increased that to 40. Now they may come on center, more on center, because the whole area is 50 pixels. We have given line height 40 pixels. That's mean it has given it a space and brought them in the center. Now the last thing for this menu will be the hover. This is basically we have added the properties to the the link inside the li or ul tags. Now this last thing will be, if inside the menu there is a colon hover, that means a hover. If someone is hovering a link, so what should be there? We simply say color should be changed to orange, and font underscore weight should be bolder. That's very simple. Ctrl S to save, come here, refresh the page, and now you see there are some changes. You can also add text decoration, text decoration to underline. We had removed from the normal links, but now after some 1 hours that will show the underline. Refresh, you can see font weight. Actually we have made a mistake here, bolder. Okay, now it will be working fine. Control S to save. Come here, refresh, and you see now it's very nicely working. Someone clicks all products, there will be all products or my accounts or sign up or things like that, but actually we have not yet added the links. These are basically dummy links or just temporary links, so we will change them later on when is necessary, but for now that's fine. We have created the menu for this project, and the next video we are coming in working in this sidebar. The sidebar means we have to add some categories over here and some brands, just static brands and static categories that we can later on change into dynamic ones coming from the database. And also after that we have to work on adding the products to this area, and after finishing this we will be working on the cart section, adding the products to the cart. So stay tuned.